Hey besties, welcome and welcome back to my channel. My name is Lara Savage. Now, if you're not subscribed, please subscribe to the channel, like this video, share it in and outside your circle, comment in the comment section, join as a member, you know how we do. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys my Lagos Create starter kit. So we did a certification recently. It was organized by Lagos State in collaboration with Kosher Ideas, and it was called Lagos Creates. So it's a certification for content creators, and we were given certificates. Guys, it was an amazing experience at the event. I will post the vlog, the full vlog, on my channel, and the highlights of what happened at the event. And this particular package was given to us, so they called our name on stage, like individually. They'll call your name on stage, give you your certificate and give you your starter kit. Guys, it was an amazing experience hearing my name on stage. You know, it was just amazing.
You know I'm always honest. There ain't no way I'm ever stopping. I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top. I'm always flirting with pain. She like to hurt me and maim. I'm always working to change, but she's still lurking the same. I keep on building a dynasty.
So like I said, I'm going to upload the vlog, but this video, let's start unboxing this particular package. So this is what it looks like. So when we got there, they gave us this wristband. So once you are registering, they put this wristband on your hand. Some got white, some got blue. I got blue and I love it. So guys, this is what it looks like. And then this was my tag from the day. So it says I am a Lagos first creator and my name is on it, Lagos Creates. Oh God, I'm so excited. I love this. So this gift card is basically to collect your gifts. It's really cute. Now let's move to what we have in this particular starter kit. So we have this cute water bottle. I love how this water bottle looks like. It's actually really cute. It says Lagos Creates on it. And then we have a microphone. Guys, I've been looking for a wireless microphone like this. And you know, the prices of things are so high now and everything. So I'm so grateful for this. This is an amazing content creator starter kit. Like having this amazing microphone. I have a live that I did on my channel where I unboxed my YouTube gifts and this particular gift. So in that video, I'm going to show you, like I'm going to open it up and show you guys like what it looks like. I unboxed it like fully. So if you want to watch that live, I'm going to link it down below so that you guys can go check it out. But in this video, you're just going to see like clips, bits and pieces of what that live was like. But if you want to see exactly like every single thing, you know, like a live basically of unboxing of this particular microphone and everything in here, it's in that video. So this is what it is. This is a tripod as well. Wow, guys, this is a tripod that has a remote control. Wow, it says Lagos Create on it as well. So this is what it looks like. It has a light basically 3 times. It's a 3 times light that can be removed and fixed back. Guys, this is so thoughtful. This is super thoughtful. Thank you, Lagos Creates. Then we have a phone stand. I love this phone stand because it's really cute. So this is what the phone stand looks like. So you put your phone here, or you put it like this. So this is it. It says Lagos Creates as well. Wow, 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 wow. Wow, this is so amazing and so thoughtful. And then we have this cute notepad. So this is what it looks like. It says Lagos Creates right here, Lagos Creates in front. Then we have a pen to go with the notepad. And then we have the charger for the light from the tripod. This is the charger. And finally, we have a t-shirt. So this is what the t-shirt looks like. Wow, well, 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 well. I love it. 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 It's so amazing. I'm seeing extra large. So I hope it actually fits in a nice way on my body, knowing I'm very small. Well, I'm going to tie it, like I'll be tying it up to make it even cropped if it's too big. So it's a win-win for me. So yeah, this is what it looks like. I actually love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. Lagos Creates, thank you so much. Lagos Creates, thank you. Sarah Donald, thank you. Kosha Ideas, thank you. Governor Babajide Sanwo-Olu. This is an amazing, like, look at it. This is a scatter kit for any creator. I'm so excited. I'm so grateful. Wow, 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 wow. Like a microphone, like I'm still amazed. The tripod microphone. Some people want ring lights during the competitions at the event. Thoughtful things, and I'm so grateful I was part of that. I was opportunity to be part of that, amazing set of creators. I think it's a yearly thing, so next year as well they'll do another edition. And if you're a content creator, I would advise you to apply, register, and take advantage of this opportunity. It's an amazing initiative. So guys, that's all I have for this video. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe to the channel. Joining as a membership helps the channel a lot. Comment in the comment section if you have any questions. Everything we do, like this video, share within and outside your circle. And until my next video, do have yourself a wonderful morning, noon, or night, wherever you are. It's still your favorite content creator and fashion entrepreneur, Lara Savage, signing out.